Continuous information shows Ethereum is exchanging at $3.25 in a quite huge manner. Our Ethereum truly long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $199 to $657 and $221 712, which especially is very huge. Ethereum ETH explicitly is determined to arrive at a very normal cost of $2 now toward the finish of 2025, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $43.08 mark in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum ETH explicitly is expected to by and large arrive at a really most extreme cost of $178,762 constantly 2040. Starting around 25 February 2024, Ethereum truly is exchanging at $3.25 in terms of its OST rate, with the value change of 21% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought. ETH truly has a very all-out market cap of $363,456,981 to $687, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,525 to $73,836 in a kind of significant manner. This by and large makes Ethereum ETH really positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in an especially significant manner. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum really be essentially worth in 2024, or so they certainly thought? Is Ethereum a generally excellent speculation, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2024? Will ETH cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed high, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical? These, for the most part, are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ETH cost most certainly is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $4,305. The normal most certainly least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the very current year ought to, in a real sense, be $4,156 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, ETH can for the most part arrive at a really greatest value level of $4,784, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. ETH value gauge. February 2024. The Ethereum figure for February 2024 expects that the ETH may truly arrive at a greatest worth of $3,201 with a kind of least cost of around $2,815 in every practical sense. Further appearance how, assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024, what will Ethereum in a real sense be especially worth in 2024 in an in every practical sense significant way? Discussing the especially normal value ETH can stretch around $3,112 for February. Ethereum ETH value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Ethereum in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $3,057 and $3,325 amazingly, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to, in every way that really matters, be around $3,205, which truly is very critical. Ethereum value figure April 2024. The really normal cost of Ethereum ETH could truly go to $3,269 toward the finish of April 2024 in an unpretentious manner. ETH could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $3,453 with the base expected cost of $3,121 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum value expectation May 2024. Ethereum cost by and large is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach between $3,281 to $3,584 in May 2024, while the especially normal cost of ETH for the May sort of stays around $3,400. Ethereum value conjecture June 2024. The truly normal cost of Ethereum ETH could go to $3,502 toward the finish of June 2024, which especially is genuinely critical. ETH could sort of exchange around an extremely greatest worth of $3,720 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $3,354 in a huge manner. Ethereum ETH value estimate July 2024. The Ethereum ETH cost for July 2024 may, in every practical sense, arrive at any rate worth of $3,489, while the essentially greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $3,895, which truly is genuinely critical. The fundamentally normal cost for ETH in a real sense is by and large anticipated to essentially reach $3,607 in July 2024 in an extremely significant way. ETH value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum explicitly is determined to truly be at around an especially least worth of $3,633 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of $4,076 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $3,751 in USD, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for Ethereum could, in every practical sense, stretch around $4,263, which really is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in September 2024 is $3,716 with a typical cost of $3,864, showing that these for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum ETH value figure October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is certainly anticipated to sort of arrive. Cost really is conjectured to explicitly arrive at a kind of the least cost of $4,061 in an in every practical sense huge way. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme cost of $4,617 with a really normal expected cost around $4,179, which explicitly is genuinely huge. ETH value figure December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Ethereum for the most part is supposed to arrive at an extremely least value worth of $4,156, or so they truly thought. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $4,784 with the extremely normal cost around $4,305. Ethereum's sort of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost fundamentally has shown an excellent increment of 2.4% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours. So ETH value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Ethereum by and large is gauged to essentially be at around an extremely least worth of $3,633 in a sort of significant manner. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the ETH generally was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 765%, which generally is very critical. Ethereum explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and generally contribute. Ethereum value figure 2024. Facts: what will especially be Ethereum sort of worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The ETH cost especially is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $4,784 with least cost of $4,156 toward the finish of 2024. Does Ethereum for the most part have a future in an unpretentious manner? As far as value, Ethereum for the most part has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to really arrive at new levels, or so they thought. It essentially is estimate that ETH will increment in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge, as indicated by fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business